Hey guys, so I finally got my mystery box. It took like 2 days to get here and I'm so excited to unbox it even though I already know what's in there, but let me get to the unboxing. So I just opened it. I'm going to move it to my table bit by bit because this will not fit on my table, it's too big. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one. So the first thing in the box are these, and these are just some empty containers, and I've been eyeing these, not from this brand but some that I saw on Amazon, so I'm glad to have these. I don't know how many ounces this is though. I'm gonna say it's 2. No, I think this is maybe 1, but I'm happy to have these and there's so many in here. Next are these inks, and you can use them to color monomer, but you can also use them for hard gels, acrylic powders, monomer, and their slick pour powders. I'm glad they put more than one color in here because I'm sure you could mix these and make some other colors. This is pretty cool, and I'm glad that you can use them for other things besides monomer. This is how they look straight out of the box. You can't really see the red and the blue too much. This one's looking kind of this is why I actually don't do these types of videos. I say everything that goes across my mind. I was gonna say it looks drinkable, but don't drink any of your nail stuff. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just saying. It also reminds me of Madame Glam's cuticle oil elixir. If anyone has that, you will know that it's a bright yellow just like this, but this is how they look straight out of the box, and this is how they look swatched, I guess. I just dabbed the lids onto this paper towel and this is how it looks against the white. Next are these files. There are 12 in here and they are 150 grit. I'm happy that there's so much of this in here also because the nail files that I have, they usually come with some sort of polygel kit or whatever kit, and they go bad really easy, and when I wash them they seem to be even worse. So I'm like, okay, I need some new files, but they hooked it up and they added 12 of these. If you hear any noise, it's my husband. He's right next door to me playing games, and every once in a while he'll just raise his voice and I'm like, oh no. I bet that's gonna be picked up in my camera, but it shouldn't be too much. Next is this rose oil, and I'm excited to smell it. I just really want to smell it. I don't actually have anything of Young Nails', so I'm really happy that I got this box. This is actually my first purchase from them, and I figured this would be a great place to start because it's a bit of everything. So, how does this smell? It smells just like rose. That's the best way I can put it. Like, if you are familiar with rose water, that's exactly what it smells like. And this is a 1 ounce container. There is so much of it. Next are these nail forms, and there are 500 of them. I went to do this and I totally missed it. But there's 500 of these. I don't actually use these, so I'm probably going to give this away, probably in a giveaway or something, but there is a good amount in here. Next are these brushes. This is a gel brush, and Greg said this was one of the best, so I can't wait to use it. These are just, let me open these. This one is the micro detailer, tiny brush. I'm also excited to use these for when I do some character nails and all that good stuff. This one, there's no name, but it's also a tiny brush. Next is their 32 ounces of their swipe, and this is just nail prep. I believe now people like to mix acetone and alcohol, a 50-50 mix, and it pretty much makes this, but I want to see how well this works. I'm sure it works great. They included 2 of their 6 ounce nail liquids, and I'm so happy about this because I was going to buy this anyway. I needed a monomer that's good, and everyone says that this is great, so I'm happy that there's 2 of these. Next, they added 6 of their hard gels, and I'm just excited about this. The deeper I get into this box, I'm like, oh my goodness. I've already seen the video that Greg made where he unboxed each of the mystery boxes. I've seen it like 3 times, and I'm just like looking at this stuff and I'm like, oh my goodness, this stuff, they hooked it up. That's all I'm gonna say. But there's 6 of these, and that's a lot. They did so well with this box. They included 5 of their acrylics. They even added the I don't know what 45 grams is to an ounce. Actually, I'm reading it right now. It's 1.5 ounces of their Cover Bear and their Cover Flamingo. I'm going to open these up so you can see the color of it. I wanted to open the gels, but gel is messy. I might just do a video on those separately, but I'm going to open these and show you how they look. There is also 3 of these slick pours. I wonder if everyone gets the same color. That's one thing I didn't pay attention to in the video. I'm gonna open them real quick and show you guys. Oh wait, I'm not even done. I didn't even look in the box properly. There is the Cover Blush and what is this? The Core White Sparkle, which I think is their new color that only comes in these mystery boxes. And then another, wow, I just yeeted that across my nail table. But another slick pour called Pasta Pasta. Hold on, let me show all of it in the same frame. I don't know why I'm so excited when I've literally watched the video, like it's crazy. I've seen people in the comments talking about, oh, I'm so excited. And I was just like, seeing it for myself, I'm excited. I understand the excitement. Let me put this all in the same frame so you can take this all in. There's just so much of it. Like $100 for this box, so worth it. This on its own, I believe, is like $100. I'm gonna open these and then I'll be right back. This one is so nice. You can't see the shimmer in it. I'm actually gonna post a short form video where I was able to catch some of the shimmer and stuff in these. Next is Cover Bear. And this is just a regular nude and has no shimmer in it. And this is their mystery color and it is so pretty. Again, you can't really see what's going on, but it's a white with a little bit of shimmer in it. Well, let me not say a little bit, it's quite a bit, but you can't see any of it really. I'll try and post the short right after I post this so you can see it up close. Next, I'm gonna show the slick pours, and this is Baby Baby. It's a light pink with some shimmer in it. Again, you can't see it. I'm just like, is there any point of me doing this? Sometimes when I go to edit my video, I can see a lot clearer than I can in my viewfinder, so hopefully you'll be able to see it a little bit. Next is North Star, and this one is my favorite out of the slick pours that I got. I don't know if everyone gets the same thing as far as the colors of the slick pours and the gel polishes. I hope everyone got this one because this is amazing. Next is Pasta Pasta, and this is a really nice red. It's like a reddy pink. It's really pretty. I actually wonder why it's called Pasta Pasta. But the next one is, if my camera will focus, is Radar Warrior, and this is a really nice pink. This one has some shimmer in it too. It's gold shimmer. The last thing in this box are these gel polishes, and I'm going to open them real quick and show you. I will do it on camera, but there's just going to be so much rustling. My husband is shouting next door. So I'm like, let me just quickly open it off camera so I can minimize the noise. I'm not taking the time to brush these off because a lot of them have just been covered in the box dust and all that stuff. I just am too excited for all of that right now. But the first color is, where is the name? I don't see a name. The first color is Way Above Average, and this is, ooh, this is a really pretty purple. They included their Ultimate Finish Gel. I saw a video about this. People are saying that this is the top coat, so I can't wait to use it. It's pretty thick. This is the thickest top coat that I have, so I'm interested to see how it goes on. Wow, it's so thick. The next color is Am I Right or Am I Right? And this is like a reddy brown, purplish too. I don't know. This is something, but it's a pretty something. It's a good color. Next is Heaven Help Me. Ooh, this is a nice white. I like this. Next is Always a Bridesmaid. And oh my goodness, this is such a pretty blue. This is like the perfect blue for the name that it is, or the perfect name for this blue. In that box also comes the Protein Bond. This is also something I see people raving about all the time. so I can't wait to use it. I don't really do my nails to last, but I'm going to try a set using only their products just to see how long it lasts. Let me know if you guys want me to actually do some more in-depth usage of these things. I kind of just got this, really wanted to make a quick video, and that's pretty much what this video is going to be. But if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite item was. Let me know if you're going to get this. That is it from me, and hope you guys have a good one.